Ready to explore Windows 10 or Windows 11 in a virtual environment? Join us for a hassle-free tutorial on installing these operating systems on VirtualBox. We will guide you step by step through the process, making it easy for beginners and virtualization enthusiasts alike. Unlock the power of a virtual machine and experience Windows on a whole new level. Watch now and get your virtual environment up and running effortlessly. To install Windows 10 or Windows 11 on VirtualBox, Step 1. Download and install VirtualBox from the official website. Step 2. Create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox. Step 3. Configure the virtual machine settings, including allocating RAM and creating a virtual hard disk. Step 4. Download the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO from the official Microsoft website. Step 5. In VirtualBox, select your virtual machine and click Settings. Step 6. Under System, go to the Boot Order tab, check Optical and move it to the top. Step 7. Under Storage, click on the empty disk symbol next to controller.ide and choose the Windows ISO file. Step 8. Start the virtual machine. The Windows installation process will begin. Step 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows, including selecting the installation drive and entering the product key. Step 10. Complete the setup process, including creating a user account. Step 11. Install VirtualBox guest additions after Windows is installed for better integration and performance. Step 12. Restart the virtual machine. Now, Windows 10 or Windows 11 should be successfully installed on VirtualBox.